Oh no, the cows are chasing each other.
They're playing tag.
Oh no. So hi guys! Welcome to another vlog! So ang vlog natin today guys is
Hi guys.
mommy and daughter time with Natalia. Say hi sissy.
Hi.
We're going to the store.
I got my dog. And I leave it.
Vlog natin for today is punta kami ni Natalia sa store kasi hindi ko agad na kwenta sa inyo na sinali ko si Natalia sa dance class.
Dance class. Are you going to take me to my dance class?
No, not today, baby. So, sinali ko si Natalia sa dance class. It's the ballet, tap, and ano pa yung isa, nakalimutan ko. And, so, nag-start na siya nung 2 weeks ago na siya nag-start. Pero, hindi siya nakapunta ng 2 beses. Dahil nag-trip kami sa nung birthday ni Kaylo, hindi siya nakapunta. And then last week hindi rin siya nakapunta. So ang dance class niya is every Tuesday 5:30 to 6:30 yung kanyang dance class. And
Dance class, mommy. What did you say?
your dance class.
Oh.
So ngayon, bibilihan natin siya ng sapatos. Yung gagamitin niya sa kanyang this coming Tuesday na kanyang dance class. So bibilihan natin siya. Hindi pa kami nakakabayad. Full hindi kasi ako sure kung full talaga siya. Kasi I think it was like $150 ata. Hindi ako sure. Kailangan ko pa magtanong ulit. And then papa-join ko siya ulit this Tuesday. And then pag talagang gusto na niya talaga, then doon na ako magbabayad. Kasi pwede mo siyang isali for 1 or twice na para lang matry ba niya ganon. And so yun ang gagawin natin. Parang uulan. Oh my gosh. Hindi ba uulan today? Sana naman hindi umulan. Looks like it's gonna rain. But yun, so ayun ang ating agenda today. Hindi ko rin alam kung matutuloy yung ating yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na manunod kami sa aming labas ng bahay. Kasi nga 'di ba hindi natuloy noong 4th of July. So baka pag ito'y umulan, hindi na naman tayo matutuloy. Hindi na naman natutuloy yung plano na 'yon. But hopefully hindi siya umulan para talagang matuloy yung ating panonood sa sa labas. Sana naman hindi na matumba itong mouth ko, no? So, ayun ang ating vlog for today. Dahil at saka damin to ni Natalia. First time namin ni Natalia na kaming dalawa lang. Kaya, ayan. So, mommy and daughter time. Ha, Sissy? Is that mommy and Sissy time? Yeah. Ayan, dito na kami guys sa call. Sissy, show them your outfit. Oh, ganda-ganda lang te girl. Oh, let's go. Hamahin. Dala ba niya si Barbie niya? Watch for the car, okay? Oops. Naka-boots pa si ate girl ah. Come on. Yeah. We had a pull. Say pull. Get in.
Cool.
Yeah. look at here. It's so quiet, but look at the dresses. Oh my gosh. Sissy, look, oh. Ang ganda ng mga dress. Look at those dresses. Here, here. Come here. I know. Nako, nagpunta tayo dito for you. Pero may ended up na mommy's gonna buy something. Oh my gosh, I like this one. What is 24? It's 20% off. It's $20 na lang siya. Oh my gosh. What is it? Yeah, they're pink. You like it? You want to go sit in the cart? Or no, I don't think they have a cart. They have a buggy. Oh, they do have a cart. Come here, you want to sit in the cart? No? Or you just want to walk?
Yeah, I want.
Okay, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Let's go find for kids. Kids section. Where's the kids? Come on. Let's go find for kids section. I think it's over there. Right here. Come on. Okay, let's go here, Sissy. This is your area. Hanap tayo dito. Come here. Uy, saan ka? Ay, maganda to. Ano. Come here, sis. Uy, ang ganda naman ito. Ganda niya. Nobody love.
I want to buy something for Troy.
Oh, no, we're not buying for something for Troy. We're buying for you. Ano ba yan? Wait lang, maghahanap nga muna ako. Tingnan nyo guys, namimili siya kung anong gusto niya. Ang problema kasi is yung kinukuha niya is 440. Eh, medyo maliit na to sa kanya. Wait lang. Okay, hold on, let go. Pang ano niya ba? Pantulog niya. If it... It says here, look. Hold on. $35. It says buy one. Ayun, it says buy one, get one half off. Wait lang! Ang mahal niyan eh. Kasi ito si Peppa. Gusto niya daw si Peppa. Kaso nga lang, ano na lang siya. Naka-sale siya as 20. Yung regular price niya is 40. $24 na lang siya. Pero, dalawang set naman siya. Tignan mo naman oh. 2 sets siya. What? Okay, let's go find what we have to look for here first before we buy that, okay? Ikaw talaga. Let's go find what we need to look for. Come on. Bago ka dyan mamili. Talaga naman bruhan to. Alright, let's go find the shoes. Come on. Let's go find the shoes. Saan may mga shoes dito? Ano ba yan? Tagal-tagal na kasi ako hindi nakapunta dito. Kaya hindi ko alam kung saan yung mga ano eh. Ay, Sissy, look oh. Look at these. You can wear these for your ballet.
They got wings.
Yeah, there's a wings. You can put that on for your ballet. Huh?
Can we buy this?
Wait lang. Ito naman, puro naman can we buy this eh. Magkano yan? Kailangan natin... Oh my God, $30. Uy!
Mommy, look.
I know, but you gotta put it down for a second. Okay. Ayan, finally nahanap natin ang shoes. Alright, let's go.
Mommy.
What? Ito naman, makikita lang ng sparkle eh. Shoes na niya. Ano bang size yan? This is your, ano, wait! So, $13.97 na lang siya.
Can we buy it?
We have to go look for your shoes first. Come on, for your ballet shoes. Come on. Ikaw, Natalia, ha? Ito, guys, ballet shoes ba ito? Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko naman kasi alam kung ano talaga ang ballet shoes, no? Ito siya eh, oh. Ballet dance ba to? Ballet shoes ba to?
Can we get this?
Wait lang! We got to make sure that this is the right one. Ikaw naman, puro ka naman kay we buy it. Which one do you want?
The golden one.
The gold one? Of course you want the gold one.
Can we buy
Hold on. Ito naman, ang ganda din nito. Kaso hindi naman siya yung top,
The golden one.
Can you wait? Ito. Let me go find your size first. Okay? Let's go find your size. Okay? Size 6.
I got it for mommy's.
What? Ito, size 11 naman yan.
Can I get
Patay tayo. Wala ka atang size dito. Let's try this one. Size 9. Okay, hold on. You're not gonna steal it anyways. Let me see. Okay. Look at that.
it doesn't fit me?
Is that a ballet shoes? Hindi ako sure kung ballet shoes yan eh. Ayan talaga gusto mo, gold?
Can we take that one off?
Which one? No, you have to pay these first.
Oh.
Okay? Before we used it. Okay? There's a black one if you want right there. Oh. But I think you want this one better. Don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want the gold one?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, here. So guys, ayan. Ano nga talaga siya? Ballet shoes nga siya yung ano, $14.99 siya. Ayan o, nakalagay. Ballet shoes. Juni ballet flat shoes. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Buti na lang tumingin ako doon kasi nga tingnan ko yung price. So, ito naman kasi si ate girl, gold yung kinuha niya eh. Imbes na white na lang eh. Gusto niya talaga, oh, tingnan mo. You like that one? Okay, let's go look for the top shoes naman. I hope they have it here. You like that?
Yeah.
You do? Cool.
I'm happy with
You're so happy? Okay, come on this way. Maybe they have this. So, wala akong nahanap na top shoes. But, thank goodness na nahanap natin ang ballet shoes. So, mag-order na lang tayo online for, top shoes.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, ano na naman nahanap mo?
Oh, good.
What?
Look.
What is it?
Everything.
What is that?
Everything.
Bluey thing. I think that's a bed for Bluey. So, ito guys, nakahanap ako ng leggings. Ano siya, nakalagay dito, tights. But, I think this will do. Para sa kanyang, Tapos, maghanap na lang tayo ng, ano pa mo pwede? Oh my gosh. Huh?
Is there changing room?
Is there changing room? I don't think there's a changing room. Hindi ko kasi talaga alam kung ano pa yung pwedeng gamitin niya eh. I mean, there's like a lot. Pag nag-search ka online, there's a lot na pwedeng suotin. Parang ganun. Here, hold this. That's yours. And I got, yan, pink and gray, tapos black and white. Here. Tignan nyo, may nahanap na naman si ate girl.
Come on.
What?
Wow.
Let's go. Ay, Sisi, look at this. Oh, this is so nice for you. Look how nice that is. Ganda niya, oh. You don't like it?
I just do love it.
You love it?
Yeah. It's so
$34. My gosh, $13.60 na lang siya.
wow.
Ang ganda niya. Pero hanap tayo ng malaking size. Dapat may size for next year. Ma-adjust ba natin ang size? Ano na naman yan? Ay, look, oh, there's more Bluey right here. Oh. Oh, ayaw mo kasi, ng arte mo eh.
But that is too small for me.
Ay, no, it's not. Arte-arte kasi. Wala namang walang other size. Gusto ko kasi lagi siya nagde-dress. Kalabas na yung mga winter stuff, oh.
No.
Buka dyan. What about this one? Oh my gosh, Sissy, look at these.
That's perfect.
That's perfect for you, huh? How much is that one?
Can you carry it?
$13.09 na lang siya. Oh my gosh, Natalia.
Can we take this?
Can we take this? Let me see. Let me see. Look at me. Oh my gosh, you look so pretty with this dress.
Can you buy it?
I guess.
Yeah.
Like para pag let me see this one. Huh?
I'm sad fun at the shop with you.
You having fun shopping with mommy?
Yeah, but this is too big.
That's too big. No, it's the same size of that one.
I want this one.
You love that one?
Yes.
Okay.
This is perfect.
Here, there's one right here too. Ang mahal naman nito. $24.99. Also, $20 siya. What about this one? You don't like this one too? Kasi kailangan ni Natalia ng mga dress. Oh my gosh. Dahil puro na lang siya. Huh? You like, you're gonna check pa si Peppa. Size 5 lang kukunin ko sa kanya. Kasi para next year, pwede pa niya ring suotin. Ang mahal naman, $20 na ino. So, check out na kami, guys. Go. Let's go here. So, mag-check out na kami. Are you happy? Yeah. So guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Walmart. Kasi walang tutus doon sa Carter. You got burger?
Yeah.
Bagal naman. Come on. So tingnan natin dito kung may tutus dito. Pag wala, give up na tayo. Bili na rin tayo ng dinner natin. So, ayan guys. Tingnan nyo. Lahat, mga school supply. Mga school supply naglalabasan na. Tingnan nyo ito. I think itong pipiliin ni Troy. So, dito kami pupunta pag bibili kami ng oh shoot, nahulog. ng mga gamit nila or mga backpack muna. Baka kasi magkaubusan. Ayan. Yeah, I think yung Spider-Man ang pipiliin ni Troy. But, there's more option kasi merong Super Mario. Tapos, of course, itong si Bluey. Look, Sissy, oh. What is this? Who is this? Look. Look. Who's that? Yeah. So, yung dalawang kuya, I don't know kung anong pipiliin nila, but maybe hindi na sila mag-ano ng mga ganyan. Let's go look for your thing. Are you gonna buckle up?
But I don't want to.
Okay, then why are you doing that then, if you don't want to buckle up?
I'm just going to buckle up in the car.
Yeah, you just buckle up in the car. So, yun, marami pang So, basta na, naglalabasin na yung dahil next month na ang school. Next month na ang school. Kaya bilihan na naman ng mga gamit. Guys, oh my gosh. Nahanap namin ni Natalia. This is the ballet no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. And then, tignan nyo. Meron din shoes dito. Tingnan nyo, talagang pang ballet shoes talaga siya. Oh my gosh. Wala na. Sira na yung natin, yung pinambili natin sa kaganina. Nakakaloka, Natalia. O, dapat dito muna tayo nagpunta pala. Ay! Okay, hold on. Ito naman, as soon as nakita excited naman. Wait lang, we had to look for your size. Jeez, girl. Hold your horse. Maghanap tayo ng size mo. Ito, 6. Look, oh.
I like it.
Basta.
But it has a blue.
And then 5'6". Is that 5'6"? What size is that one? 5'6". So, look for 5'6". May black din siya eh, pero pink na lang muna yung anihin natin. Look! Holy crap! Oh my gosh! We found it, ha? I am so happy we found it!
Oh.
Oh my God! Sobrang na-proud talaga ako, guys. Oh my gosh, dapat pala dito na tayo pumunta muna, no? Oh my gosh. Grabe. Si Justice ito. Ito yung brand ng mga sikat na brand dito sa Amerika. Ay, sisi ulo ko. There's a short din, no? Oh, there's a short din siya, oh.
No.
You don't want the short? You want that? Okay. Alright, let's go look for the leggings naman. Oh, my goodness. So, ito guys. Ito yung leggings niya. Ito lang naman $10. Oh, nagkakaloka naman. 4 to 6 yung kunin natin. Ay, ayaw magpatanggal. So, ayan. 4 to 6. Tapos, itong shoes naman, size 10. Here, sisi. Let's try it for you. Guys, oh, size 10. Sobrang fit na fit kay Natalia. As in. Magana tayo ng size 11. Kasi fit na fit sa kanya. Walang Kailangan ba? 10? I don't know. Ito naman. Oh. Gusto niya agad i-take yung tag off. Which one?
The M&M.
You want the M&M? You want this one instead. This one. The little tiny one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
How will you open it?
Wait, we had to pay for it. Okay, guys. Nakakuha na tayo ng ating dinner. Yung Salisbury steak, potato, at saka, tawag na to, milk. And then, some, for lunch. So, let's go mag-check out na tayo.
When I read chapter out.
Dito tayo sa exciting part. This is shocking. My gosh, $79. Like, asan yung phone ko? Dito kami guys sa work ni Daddy kasi dadalhin namin siya ng drink. Go! What are you doing? Say, shopping? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Hey, you wanna hold this and give it to Daddy? Alright, give Daddy a kiss.
Love you.
I love you. So guys, uwi na tayo. It is, 2:37 na sisi. Yan, dyan ko na lang pinupos si Natalia. Ayan. Did you enjoy today? Yes? Yes po?
Yeah.
Okay. So, uwi na tayo guys kasi nag-decide kami ng asawa ko na ngayon na lang kami manunod ng movie na gusto nilang panoorin, yung Minion. Today na lang natin gagawin kasi maaga ang uwi ng asawa ko is he get up at 5:30. So yung papanoorin natin na movie is 6:10 ata yung sabi niya na papanoorin namin. So kaya uwi na tayo para mapakain ko sila ng dinner and then para hindi sila magutom, yung parang like popcorn lang yung kakainin nila.
So yung binili kong dinner for tonight, gagawin na lang natin for tomorrow. So it's really a hectic day, but na-enjoy ko yung me time namin ni Natalia. Did you enjoy it, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go home. Yay! Say let's go home, guys.
Go home, guys.
Meron siyang M&M. So guys, bahay na kami.
And I'm going to change my bellies.
So, mag-change daw siya kasi gusto niyang ipakita sa lolo at lola niya ang kanyang ballet outfit. Kaya papalitan natin siya. Ayan guys, tignan niyo yung baby girl ko. Ang ganda. So, hindi ko pa pinusot to sa kanya kasi baka madumihan. So, ayan yung pink, gold ang pinasot ko sa kanya. So, papakita niya sa lola niya. Okay. Okay, come on, let's go.
We need to get my magical wand out of the car. We need to get my magical wand.
Say, Mama, close your eyes. Say, open. Okay, open.
Oh, look at you. How cute. Did you get her tap shoes too?
They didn't have it. Say, Papa, look at me.
Wow.
Look at her belly. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby. Oh, show Papa your slippers. So, ayan na guys. Alis na tayo. Si ate girl, wala nang yung buhok niya. Oh, sinuot niya yung kanyang, yung shoes niya. Oh. Alright, go. Go and buckle up. Buckle up. Hey, go buckle up your sister.
I was gonna ask her to see if she wants me to.
Yes, go. Buckle her up.
You want me to buckle you? Yeah, sure.
Me and Mommy will right by something.
Yeah, that's right.
I want to buy something at that. Wait, we're at Lowe's? What? What? That doesn't make sense.
What doesn't make sense?
I thought we were going to Dad's work.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, until we get there.
Wala silang alam.
Yeah, my
Oh, I know where we're going.
Where?
To the theaters. Cause
How'd you know?
we're not going to Sam's or like any. Cause we're like close to the theaters. I was like, obviously. And by the way, you said that we were going to the regular theaters yesterday.
Yeah, but I didn't say today.
Wait, is it just Dad and us? Is Dad coming?
No, he's not.
Wait, Dad is coming. Dad is coming because of your smile.
Huh?
Dad is coming because of your smile.
What's wrong with my smile?
When someone smiles, that means they're joking or lying.
I see it.
But if they smile, then that means that they're
on my radio.
We're going to watch the Despicable Me movie 4 now. I know, cause it was obvious. Hey Mom, that was the world obvious. Whoops, I accidentally on iPad. Oh, Dad's here. Yeah, I knew everything. I knew everything.
No, you don't.
No, I knew your plan.
We were going to the theater. That was your plan. You tricked us. You said we were going to the store. Mommy, you tricked us.
You tricked us. You said we're gonna go to the store.
This is the store. This one right here.
Daddy tricked me. No, because
Are you guys surprised? There's Daddy.
I know what.
She's mad at you, Daddy.
Hold my hand.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Here, Troy, you want to hold my hand?
Yeah.
Got some squares out here that we're on the bottom of.
Ayan na.
Slow down. No, no,
Oh,
it's
Kalo, wrong one.
down here.
Right there,
That's the
640. That's the end. Come on, let's go.
If you go in here, then we can go put it over here.
Straight. Yeah, I said H, but she did.
So you
Okay, go.
That's what's good in there.
Oh gosh, it's gonna be cold. Let's go. Hey, G. Find G.
Down over there.
Go, go, over there. Right here. Right there, G. Right there, G. Right here, G. Here's Daddy. Here's the kiddos. Are you vlogging? Tapos na ang movie. Dadance na lang.
Remember to wash your hands. Remember to wash your
That's
hands.
George.
Every time you've been around playing with friends.
Look, get
Remember
her.
to wash your hands. Remember to wash with soap. Remember to wash with soap. When you wash your hands.
So how's the movie?
Great.
Stop.
I liked it.
Yeah, I know you got sad.
Did you liked it very much?
Why did you get sad?
Si Troy, guys. Oh my gosh.
When it
Why
was
did you
like,
get sad?
Si Troy, umiyak si Troy. Oh my gosh.
Mom. Mom.
Yeah.
I know.
Was you scared because the baby got taken from the daddy?
As soon as that happened, he started crying.
Troy thought that
Yeah. As soon as kinuha yung baby, oh, he started crying.
Just stop talking like that.
because he thought that he was his new dad.
Yeah, you don't like that?
Yeah. Mom, can I tell you?
So ayan guys, uwi na tayo. So how was the movie, guys?
Awesome.
It was awesome. Okay, kwento ko lang sa inyo guys ha. Yeah, we're gonna go follow Daddy. Si Troy, napaiyak siya. Oh my gosh, as in talagang umiyak siya. Kasi yung may part doon na kinukuha ng kalaban, yung enemy, yung baby ni ni Gru. Kasi nga daw magkakaroon na daw siya ng new daddy. As soon as sinabi niya yon na magkakaroon na siya ng new daddy, ayun na, dismiyo, talagang umiyak na si Troy. Oh my gosh. As in talagang umiyak siya. Kaya tinanggal namin siya sa chair. Tinanggal talaga namin siya sa kanya upuan at kinalong siya ng daddy niya dahil talagang umiyak talaga siya. Oh my gosh. The movie is so good. So you guys need to watch it. Despicable Me 4. Sobrang maganda niya, as in talaga. Kaya napaiyak si Troy kasi nga nagandahan siya. Troy, did you like the movie? Yeah.
This is how I say it.
What?
Despicable Me. Like memes.
I think this is the last na Despicable Me, kaya ginandahan nila ng todo-todo. As in, ang ganda talaga niya.
No, I think there's more.
No, this is the last one, I think. I don't think they're doing another one.
So yan, uwi na tayo kasi ano na 8:37 na ng gabi and maliwanag pa din. Kaya uwi na tayo. Ba, yun, uwi na tayo. Ay, kahit kami ni Daddy na-enjoy namin yung movie as in maganda siya. So, uwi na tayo. So, let's go home, guys!